Our Sun, a magnificent celestial body that has fascinated humanity for millennia, a blazing ball of plasma, radiating immense energy and light. A giant nuclear furnace lighting up the cosmos. Within its core, nuclear fusion transforms hydrogen into helium, releasing energy that travels across the solar system. This celestial wonder, the heart of our solar system, is the source of life on Earth. Its gravitational pull keeps the planets in orbit, creating a delicate balance that allows life to thrive. Its energy, radiating across vast distances, sustains all that we know and cherish. From the warmth of a sunny day to the energy stored in fossil fuels, the sun's influence is omnipresent. But even stars have a lifespan, and our sun is no exception. Over billions of years it has evolved and will continue to do so. While currently in its prime, its journey, like all things, will eventually come to an end. In about 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets. The sun's story is one of epic proportions. From its birth in a cloud of gas and dust to its eventual demise, it is a tale of transformation and endurance. It's a tale of birth, transformation, and eventual demise, spanning billions of years. After its red giant phase, it will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf. This story, however, is not just about a single star. It's a narrative that echoes throughout the universe. It's about the cosmic cycle of creation and destruction that governs the universe. Stars are born, live out their lives, and die, contributing to the creation of new stars and planets. It's about understanding our place in this grand cosmic ballet. As we observe the sun and other stars, we gain insight into the past and future of our own planet. And pondering the future of humanity as our own star reaches its twilight years. What will become of us when the sun's light begins to fade? The answers lie in the stars. Imagine a vast dark cloud of gas and dust, a nebula, the birthplace of stars. Within this chaotic cloud, gravity reigns supreme, pulling particles together in a cosmic dance. As these particles collide, they heat up, forming a dense, hot core known as a protostar. The protostar, under immense pressure and heat, becomes a crucible for a remarkable process: nuclear fusion. Hydrogen atoms, the simplest and most abundant element in the universe, are forced together in the protostar's core. This fusion releases an incredible amount of energy, marking the birth of a star. Our sun, approximately 4.6 billion years ago, ignited in this very way, bursting into life from a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Today we find our sun in its main sequence phase, a long, stable period of hydrogen fusion. Deep within its core, hydrogen atoms continue to fuse into helium, releasing the energy that lights up our solar system. This delicate balance between gravity pulling inwards and the outward pressure of fusion defines the sun's current state. Astronomers classify our sun as a G-type main sequence star, a yellow dwarf, rather average in size and temperature compared to the vast array of stars in the cosmos. But for us, it's everything. Its steady light and warmth have allowed life to flourish on our planet. Earth, bathed in the sun's energy, is a testament to the life-giving power of this seemingly ordinary star. However, this period of stability won't last forever. In approximately 5 billion years, the sun's hydrogen fuel will begin to run low. As the core depletes its hydrogen, the outward pressure of fusion will lessen, allowing gravity to gain the upper hand. The core will contract and heat up, while the sun's outer layers will expand dramatically, transforming it into a red giant. This expansion will be a cataclysmic event for the inner solar system. Mercury and Venus, the two innermost planets, will be engulfed by the expanding sun. Earth's fate remains uncertain. While it may not be swallowed whole, the intense heat from the red giant sun will likely boil away our oceans and scorch the surface, rendering it uninhabitable. Section 5. A celestial shroud, the planetary nebula. The red giant sun won't remain static. As the core continues to contract and heat up, helium, the byproduct of hydrogen fusion, will begin to fuse into heavier elements. This helium fusion will be unstable, causing the sun to pulsate and shed its outer layers into space. These ejected layers, glowing brightly as they are energized by the sun's remaining heat, will form a breathtaking cosmic spectacle, a planetary nebula. Planetary nebulas, despite their name, have nothing to do with planets. They are the remnants of dying stars, the shed outer layers of a once mighty sun. These nebulas, rich in heavy elements, will seed the interstellar medium, providing the building blocks for future generations of stars and planets. Section 6. Fade to white, the dwarf's afterglow. As the sun sheds its outer layers, its core will be laid bare. This core, incredibly dense and hot, will be composed primarily of carbon and oxygen, the remnants of helium fusion. This stellar ember, no longer able to sustain nuclear fusion, will slowly cool and fade, becoming a white dwarf. White dwarfs are the final evolutionary stage for stars like our Sun. They are incredibly dense, packing the mass of the Sun into a volume roughly the size of Earth. A teaspoon of white dwarf material would weigh several tons on Earth. These stellar remnants, glowing faintly with residual heat, will continue to cool for billions of years, slowly fading into obscurity. Section 7. The long goodbye into the cosmic abyss. The white dwarf that was once our Sun will continue to cool over eons, eventually radiating away all its remaining heat. As it cools, it will fade from a white dwarf to a black dwarf, a cold, inert stellar remnant invisible to the naked eye. The solar system, once teeming with the Sun's energy, will be a vastly different place. The planets, now orbiting a cold, dark remnant, will be frozen wastelands. The once vibrant tapestry of life on Earth will be but a distant memory, a testament to the ephemeral nature of existence in the face of cosmic timescales. Section 8. Life beyond the Sun, a universe of possibilities. The death of our Sun, while marking the end of our solar system as we know it, is but a single event in the grand scheme of the universe. This cataclysmic event, though devastating, is a natural part of the cosmic cycle. Stars are born, they live, and eventually they die, releasing their elements back into the universe. As our Sun fades away, new stars will be born in distant nebulas, continuing the cycle of stellar evolution. These stellar nurseries are the birthplaces of new suns, where clouds of gas and dust coalesce under gravity to ignite nuclear fusion. It's a process that has been happening for billions of years and will continue for billions more. These new stars will bring light and warmth to other corners of the cosmos, perhaps igniting the spark of life on new worlds. Exoplanets orbiting these stars may have the right conditions for life to develop, offering new possibilities for the emergence of diverse ecosystems and civilizations. The universe is vast and ancient, filled with endless possibilities. Each star, each planet, each galaxy holds the potential for new discoveries and new forms of life. The sheer scale of the cosmos is a testament to the boundless creativity of nature. While our time in this particular corner of the cosmos may be finite, the story of the universe itself is far from over. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is just one of countless galaxies, each with its own unique history and future. New chapters are constantly being written, filled with wonder, mystery, and the potential for life to emerge in countless forms. As galaxies merge and evolve, as stars are born and die, the universe continues to surprise and inspire us, reminding us of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our own world. Section 9. Our Cosmic Legacy, a Future Written in the Stars. As we contemplate the Sun's epic journey, we are reminded of our own place in the universe. The Sun, a seemingly eternal beacon in our sky, is but a fleeting moment in the grand timeline of the cosmos. Its life, though spanning billions of years, is just a chapter in the endless story of the universe. This perspective humbles us, making us realize how small yet significant our existence is. We are, after all, stardust, forged in the hearts of long-dead stars. These celestial forges, where elements are born, are the very crucibles of creation. Every atom in our bodies, every molecule that makes up our world, has a cosmic origin. This connection to the stars binds us to the universe in a profound way, reminding us of our shared heritage with the cosmos. The very atoms that make up our bodies were once part of a star that exploded billions of years ago, seeding the cosmos with the building blocks of life. These supernovae, with their cataclysmic energy, scatter elements across the galaxy, enriching the interstellar medium. This cosmic recycling is essential for the formation of new stars, planets, and ultimately, life itself. The Sun's story is a reminder that everything, even the stars in the sky, has a beginning and an end. This cycle of birth, life, and death is a fundamental aspect of the universe. It teaches us about impermanence and the ever-changing nature of existence. Just as stars are born, live, and die, so too do all things in the universe, including our own lives. It's a call to appreciate the preciousness of life and the fleeting beauty of our own planet. Earth, our home, is a rare and delicate oasis in the vastness of space. Its landscapes, oceans, and atmosphere are unique in the known universe. This realization should inspire us to cherish and protect our planet, ensuring that future generations can also marvel at its wonders. As we face the challenges of the future, let us remember our cosmic heritage and strive to create a future worthy of the vast and awe-inspiring universe we inhabit. The exploration of space is not just a scientific endeavor but a testament to human curiosity and ambition. It represents our desire to understand our place in the cosmos and to push the boundaries of what is possible. The future of humanity, like the universe itself, is full of possibilities waiting to be written in the stars. Our journey into the cosmos is just beginning, and with each step we uncover new mysteries and opportunities. Let us embrace this journey with wonder and determination, knowing that our destiny is intertwined with the stars.